Ettemu lino Kyakwayira alikoledde ku kyalo Kakone ekiri mu ggombolola y'e Nyakiyumbo nga kigambibwa nti olunaku olw'eggulo omugenzi Masika yabadde ava kulaba ku b'eŋŋanda ze era olwakomyewo n'afuna obutakkaanya n'ebba.
It has taken us, it is by shock, it has happened. If you look at our crime report, I think it is the first kind of the murder that we are registering this year.
Okusinziira ku DPC w'e Bwerwa SP Tai Ramadan, enjega eno yaguddewo oluvannyuma lwa Masika okwagala anobe ng'ekyaddiridde bba kumusibira mu nnyumba n'amufumita ekiso.
Came back to come and pick a few of her things. She came, she found the husband at home, she greeted the husband and entered the bedroom to pick a few of her belongings. So when the husband realized that she's packing some things in the house, he went inside to lock the door, and that's where the scuffle happened. SP Tai agamba nti baatemezeddwako era ne batuuka mu bwangu nga bakutte Kyakwayira era n'aggalirwa nga bwe bagenda mu maaso n'okunoonyereza. Of course, our charge right now is murder, is a suspect murder case. Yes, there could be other cases there, but now the murder case stands out. So that is what we are pursuing now. So I believe in the soonest time we can be able to arraign him before the courts of law. Babatuuze obuzibu babutadde ku butabanko mu maka obususse mu kitundu kyabwe.
Mukali abe naberepanga bar betu omurume eshamutrech obutuku obaru butwanga minyutu oyu nimukaliwa nimwira wayi neru babere bukabi a wiki eyindi eyihwere eyama labo kwe mulyo akwema ayatuma unzeyi awmasimu yiwe emulya namba eyikamutera bulesa.
Moses Mutabali yakusakidde emboozi eno ku lwa KSTV agaleero.